Hello everyone. So for using OpenAI key, first we need OpenAI key from the OpenAI platform, right? So let's see how we can get it OpenAI key. So for this, first we need to go to the OpenAI website and then we need to sign up, right? We need to search OpenAI sign up and then just go to that site. Here first we need to sign up. If you have a Google account, then you can continue with Google, otherwise you can use Microsoft account as well, but for now I have a Gmail account, so I am just continue with Google. So that is my current email. Okay, now that is logged in, right? So let's see how we can get that API key. Organization name, it's personal. Somewhat technical. Okay, create organization. I don't want to invite any team members right now. Okay, make your first API call, right? So that is the API key name. So let's make it default for now. Project name is default project, and that is also. Now generate API key. Okay, so we got that API key. We can copy it and let's continue. Okay, it's asking for the payment, right? So OpenAI key is not free as of now, so we need to purchase the credits. So I will buy this credit later. So that is the way we can get that OpenAI key. I am not sure it will work or not, just because it provides the OpenAI key, but we did not purchase it. So we will check it later, it is working or not. If it is not working, then you need to purchase it. So initial amount is $5, so you can purchase it and then you can try it, is it working or not. Okay, bye.